Well, hello again, my lovely love bug goodies. Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen. This is going to be a good one, y'all. A good one. Today I'm making my famous sticky, juicy, sweet peach jelly chicken wings. Yes, honey. This one is going to be all the way up to another level. Now you can see my wings are looking super delicious with that sticky, juicy, sweet peach jelly sauce all up in that goodness, boo. Now if you're new to my channel and you're watching me cooking these wings for the very first time, be sure that you have subscribed. If you have not already subscribed, feel free to do so. Turn on the post notification settings goodie so you'll always be aware of whenever your girl upload a brand new video. You ready for the recipe? I'm ready for cook it. Let's get started.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know him no obligation but to him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one if you get turn your back on your brother.
Okay, goodie. Let's jump right into the recipe. I have my chicken wings right there that has been nicely washed. I will insert a link down below for making it say over clean and washing the chicken right. Now all I did right here thus far is add some salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder to my chicken wings. I think I have about 24 pieces there. Now I added some paprika to it and definitely added some all-purpose season and some chicken seasoning, right? That was it. Mixed it all in real good. As usual, clean hands, y'all. Make sure your hands are nice and clean. And then I put it aside. Now in that container I have a half of heavy cream and a half of milk, so I'm using almond milk here, so that totals 1 cup. To that I added 1 1/4 cup of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of white sugar into that container. Mix it really good. Make sure so you get as much lump out of that mix as possibly can. Goodie. If you don't get all of it, it is just fine. Now I grabbed my chicken back and what I did was pour that liquid all up in there, all up into the goodness there. Right? Poured it all up in there. Just took my little thingy right there and just kind of sink it down. Didn't mix it all together. Just sink it down into all of that mixture. Set it aside for just a few minutes, and that's what we have here. Still didn't mix it up, right? That's what we have when it starts to expand. Now, you want to make sure that your oil is 350 degrees. If your oil is not 350 degrees, you're going to have flan chicken wings. If you're using a pot, make sure your wooden spoon, use it and check to make sure that your oil is perfectly ready for frying. I'm going to go right on here and throw my wings up in that hot 350 degree oil. And your oil will get cold for a second or two, but it's going to reheat again, okay? Now, your chicken wings are going to start to float on top of the oil when it's totally cooked. But you'll see it starting to float halfway into the process. It starts to float, okay? That is perfectly fine. It's doing what it wants to do, like right here. Perfectly fine, okay? These wings took me about, I'll say 9 minutes, 9 to 10 minutes to fry to get the golden brown color that I wanted to. So halfway here, it started to float. 10 minutes, it was perfectly fine like that. Perfectly fine, perfectly fine, perfectly crispy, perfectly crunchy. The color is what I wanted. Nice and smell good and crunchy, juicy on the inside. Like that. See? Juicy on the outside, juicy on the inside, crunchy, munchy all over. And my chicken wings, yes, boo. Yes, boo. Was ready. Now, moving right along, I went ahead and started making my sticky, juicy, sweet peach jelly sauce on my wings, honey. Now, I added some salt, a little bit of salt, because I am using unsalted butter, okay? I added onion powder, garlic powder, paprika to that container. I added some all-purpose seasoning to it. And then I added my sticky peach sweet jelly, my peach jelly. Use only peach jelly, only goody, only peach jelly. Then I added some soy sauce and some ketchup. All the amount of the recipe will be listed down in your description box. I went ahead and added some extra virgin olive oil and a little dash of black pepper. Of course, I added my dry parsley because I love parsley on wings. Yes, I don't know if I'm the only one who loves parsley on their wings, but I love parsley on my wings. Now I went ahead and popped it in the microwave, pop it back out, and that was good. Now, honey, please go subscribe to your girl channel, Life is Juliana. Make sure that you already subscribe here. Show your girl some love. Share the recipes with friends and family. Spread the news, goody, all times. And I love you, right? Thanks for supporting me. Now I'm going to have these wings with celery and french fries today because tonight is a Friday night and we're doing Netflix on chill and watch some TV, right? That's what we're doing here. I love to use those top of my celeries for recipe like a salad or something. Steam it up with some cabbage, some pop chow, some chow. I love it. Now I'm cleaning up my celeries here, and I don't know if I'm the only one that does pop it in the mix and just peel it down and all that. If you do that, goody, let me know down in your description, because I don't know, maybe Miss Strange, right? But yeah, I go ahead and just pop it up like that, and then slice it into my desired pieces that I love. Very simple. Okay, now it's time to get my chicken wings all friended up with that good peach jelly sauce, boo. And them thing hot too. That is hot. I kid you not. Bun finger business, right? So that I burn up the finger, them, boo. But I didn't want to put it in the container. I wanted to do it individually. It comes out better, I think. Yes, so I went ahead and I got my sauce all up in that good sticky, yucky, juicy, sweet thing stuff up in there. Juicy-licious, gummalicious. The thing was smelling so good. I was tempted to start eating, but I know if I eat any of it, it would have been short. Somebody would have had a short plate, so I left it alone. But yes, honey, when I was done, the thing was looking massive right there. The thing was looking massive. Not only the thing looked massive, but the thing smelled up the whole entire house. All the way down, honey. Look at that. That juice, that peach jelly sauce went down into the crannies and the grannies and all of the cousins and the uncles, and everybody was all up in that chicken, y'all. Yes, boo. I'm not going to no Arby's, none of them places. No Applebee, no Tavern, no none of that. I'm making my wings at home, y'all. My wings, I'm up home business. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Top off the even with a splash. Looking good, y'all. That chicken wings right there, may I tell you, say, the thing was gone in like 10 minutes, if that long. The thing was gone, y'all. Now I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Good thus far. Be sure to give your girl a big thumbs up. Share the recipes with your friends, with your family, with your neighbor, with your best friend, with anybody you want to share, to go ahead and share, right? Now, goody, tell me what you would love to see me cooking next in my kitchen. Left that down below, right, goody? Don't forget that. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. Take it easy, all right? Love you guys.
remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari. Why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.